Ayo, what's good everybody, welcome to my world, welcome to my channel. My name is Johnny Antiix. Those that don't know me, I go by the name of Mr. Sanyat, or Sunny Dudes. Understand, that's one of my songs, but don't worry, you will get to know about that later on the channel. Firstly, you will get to know who is Johnny Antiix, where I'm from, what inspired me to actually do this channel, why I took so long to actually do this video, and also what inspired me also to get into forex trading, which is the main reason why most people follow me, the main reason why most people appreciate me, and I also appreciate you guys back. And since it's my first video, guys, please drop in those comments. Let me know how I did on my first video. Let me know. Please subscribe, please follow, please click on that notification button, right? Let's get to it. Let's get to the first part. Who is Johnny Antiix? Well, Johnny Antiix is a hustler by profession. A hustler by profession. The reason why I'm saying a hustler by profession is because I'm a go-getter, man. I'm a go-getter. Like each and every day, I'm a go-getter. Forex trading, music, ambassador, I'm a go-getter, you understand? So basically why I did this channel, I actually want to inspire the world. I actually want to be an icon. I actually want to show people that you can actually start from nothing into something. I actually want to show people, the youth of South Africa and actually the youth of all around the world, that you can actually be something from nothing into this world, you understand? Let's get to it. Johnny Antiix is a hustler by profession. Well, I actually got interested in forex trading in 2017. That was my metric year. 2017 metric year. Was doing my metric, got interested into forex. I saw the likes of Jason Noah, that's my brother, shout out. Saw the likes of Jason Noah. Was like he actually paused. I saw Jason Noah on Instagram first. Yeah, I saw Jason Noah on Instagram. That time I was like doing metric. I think around September. DC preparing for my prelims. See Jason Noah, I'm like, damn. And by the way, we're from the same hood, so Shanguve, you understand? So I'm like, damn. Somebody that's from the same hood as me is actually doing such big things at a very young age. I actually want to do this. I actually want to inspire the world too like this. I actually want to feed people knowledge. I actually want to share my knowledge, my story with the world. You understand? And that's when I actually first got introduced into forex. And then from there, after my metric year, I actually now started like taking forex seriously. I started taking forex seriously. Got a job, an odd job. I got a job whereby I know that I could do what, fund my trading account. Remember, guys, in forex, what do you need? You need money to make money. But you don't need a lot of money to make money. You understand? I got a job so I can fund my accounts. I got a job. So from there, keep on funding my account. Some accounts I did blow them, but the first deposit that I ever did in forex, it was $5. Did the first deposit of $5. Still remember they actually just grew the account just like $2 extra to like $7. Then I blew the account, obviously, you know. Then I think I funded about $20 next. No, I think I funded $100 next. Yeah, funded $100 next. And I was trading with my friend. Started with that $100. I actually flipped that $100 into $200. After flipping that $100 to $200, I actually got, you know, that overexcitement after you make that first big profit on your trading account. Then you're like, damn, yeah, I'm actually doing this. Then I got overexcited. I actually went more. I over-leveraged my account and actually blew that account. You understand? But all those were actually steps that were preparing me for greater heights. You understand? Because look at the things that I feel like I have achieved today. Forex trading has actually changed my life in a very, very huge way. Now, okay, down the line, 3 months later, I start seeing like consistent profit. And what I mean by consistent profit, I mean like, it's not like you don't have losses. You do have losses, but your losses are now more lesser than your wins. Basically, your wins are more than your losses, you understand? Then now, the first big withdrawal that I did, there was 16K. from a 3K account. From a 3K account, did 16K. Then I was like, damn, we threw the money. After we threw in the money, now I just got myself something nice and electronic and all of that. But the most important thing is the persistence that I had in the Forex market. Like, I need you guys to know that yes, you can make a good living out of Forex trading, but what also you need to know is that it takes sacrifices, it takes sleepless nights, it takes hard work. You understand? You also need to do it to put consistent time and focus on your charts. You understand, guys? You need to put consistent time, focus on your chart. So by the way, if you want to follow me, if you want to check me out on social media, you can check me out on my new account, which is at Johnny Antiix, JOHNNYANTIIX. You will see it right now on the screen, at Johnny Antiix. It's a new account. Those that actually are wondering, was my old account, it was hacked. Unfortunately, it was hacked at 54.6K followers. It was hacked, my Instagram account, but it's okay, guys. We move, we start afresh. If I can do it once, I will do it again. So now I need you guys to go and follow that Instagram account. I need you guys to click the subscribe, the like, and also switch on that notification button, right? I'm also gonna give you guys tips on that you guys should know as beginner Forex traders. The tip that you guys should know as beginner Forex traders is that the first tip that you should know as a beginner Forex trader is that invest in your knowledge. Yes, it's good to see the lifestyle. Yes, it's good to see your inspirations on social media driving big cars. Yes, it's good to see inspirations on social media doing big things and, wearing that most expensive shoe that you want, on all of that. It's good to get that inspiration, but also I don't want you guys to put a lot of pressure on yourselves, whereby now you're actually gonna now miss out on what's happening in your life and start focusing on other people's lives, right? So invest in your knowledge. Do your research, guys. Do your research. Don't just come into Forex trading thinking that this is like a get rich quick scheme and all of that, whereby you actually gonna put in $100 by tomorrow. You already a millionaire living that flashy life. You understand? It actually takes consistent. It takes sleepless night. It takes planning. You understand? So invest in your knowledge. Do your research. Check those YouTube videos. There's a whole lot of things that you can actually get on the internet. There's a lot of people, a lot of mentors on YouTube, on your Instagrams, on your Facebook, that you can actually get knowledge from. You understand? Equip your mind with knowledge first. Secondly, I need you guys to start small. When you now got the knowledge, start small. Even if, yes, you do have that big money to fund, don't start your trading account by start funding big. Start small. Do fund that $100. You understand? Make a trading plan. Whereby you know that this trading plan is actually gonna do what? It's actually gonna help me with what? To keep consistency, to keep track of my records, to keep track of every single thing that I'm doing on the markets. And now you will get to see your overall performance and how you can actually adjust and fix it. You understand? So you need to start small. Start with that $500 and don't over leverage your account. You need to start small. Use proper risk management. That's the third step. Proper risk management. You need to use proper risk management, guys. You understand? Here's a quick trading plan that some of you guys can follow. If you fund a $100 account, I used to have a trading plan of actually making $50 or $30 every day. You understand? From that $100 account, whereby I know that I'm actually gonna do what? I will use about 3 positions, 0.01, or 4 positions, 0.01. Proper risk management, stop loss in place. You understand, guys? Stop loss in place, and then get to reach my daily target. So let's say now you fund $100 in your account. You have a goal. You write down your goal. Your goal maybe is to make $50 from that $100 account, is to make $50 every single day, right? You write it down. Okay, I have $100 account. I want to make $50 every day. What does it take for me to make $50 every day? Obviously, you're not just gonna make $50 every day by being lazy. You need to keep on consistently checking your charts. You need to do proper risk management. You need to do your researches first, right? From there, you know that you are equipped with the knowledge. You do have everything in place, your proper risk management. You know how you're gonna actually tackle the account. Then from there, let's say today is the first day, Monday. You fund your account, you trade, you get to your $50, right? Close your trades. It's okay, you have reached your daily target, right? You have reached your daily target. So now what you will be doing in the market, you will actually be preparing for opportunities that will be coming at a later stage or tomorrow before you go to sleep. You understand? Before you go to sleep, you will analyze the market, check the market on what to expect the following day. The following day is the very same thing, $50 profit. Do that consistent thing. By Friday, how much do you have? You have $250 worth of profit plus your $100. So basically now your account is no longer on $100, it's on $350 by being consistent with $50 profit every single day. You understand? Every single day. Keep the same process up until you feel like, okay, now I feel like I am good enough. This profit makes me happy to withdraw. If it's up to me, and which is what I would advise you guys to do, when you reach Friday, you can withdraw your profits, leave your $100 in the trading account, withdraw the $250 profits. The following week, you know what to do. The same process again. You understand? Whereby you know that now your bank account is actually at a financial stable place, whereby you know that now you can start by trading more bigger accounts than $100. You can now start trading $200. You can now start trading $300. And also on the $200 accounts, on the $300 accounts, what will you do? You will also follow your trading plan. This is very, very important, guys, to follow your trading plan, because this is not gambling, this is trading. And what separates traders and gamblers is because gamblers, they don't have a plan. They will just see if it works out or if it doesn't. But traders, we have a plan. You understand? And it's not really necessary to trade every single day. It's not really necessary to trade every single day. Wait for your setup, wait for proper setups, and do use risk management, right, guys? Also, I'm also going to show you guys how to do what? How to analyze using your smartphone only. Using your smartphone only. And I'm also going to do a video on how to analyze on your laptop, but that video is going to come on the next video. On this video, I'm only going to show you guys how to analyze using your smartphone and your MT4 app, which is the app that we use to trade. The MT4 MetaTrader 4, the MetaTrader 5 app, which both you can get from Google Play and Apple Store. You understand, guys? So without saying further much, let's get to the analysis. Away. Okay, guys, so as I told you, I'm going to show you how to analyze the markets using what? Your smartphone, right? So you can get this app, the MetaTrader app. You can get it, or if you are using Apple, you can get it on your Apple Store. If you are using Android, you can get it on your Google Play Store, right? Okay, cool. So let's get to it. So here, as you guys can see, we have GBP USD on our daily time frames. You will see our daily time frame and the name of the pair that we are actually trading at your top left, right? Okay, cool. So when you start analyzing, I would advise you to do what? Start analyzing on your bigger time frame. Why are we doing that? We are actually analyzing on our bigger time frame so we can actually see the overall movement of the market, right? So as you guys can see, now we are on our daily time frame, which we can actually now go back up until 2019 to see how the market has been reacting, right? One thing that we know about the market is that history always repeats itself. So what you should do, spot the trend, look at how it has been reacting, go back Go research, go back on your chart, go check on the performance, go look at or how it's currently doing now, right? Cool. So we are now on daily time frame. So what do we see now? We are actually seeing that, let me get a bit closer. Yes, we're actually seeing that we had the market was actually falling, right? But it was actually falling in which term? In a form of a pattern. It wasn't actually going all the way down, right? So we start by looking at your highest point. Spot your first highest point. Looking at your second highest point. Spot your second highest point, right? Third. Okay, now we're looking at your lowest points. Place a horizontal on your lowest points. So these are also called points of rejection, whereby the market has actually rejected. Look, let's place a horizontal line so it becomes more clearer for you guys. I'm going to place a horizontal line here, which is, this is our major support level, right? This is the major support level, and as you can see how the market has actually reacted, it actually gave us what? A double bottom. A double bottom, we know it's a reversal pattern on your demand zone, which is your support level. Okay, then from there we actually see that, all right, the market actually came all the way down back to the support level, and from the support level the market rejected. After rejecting, the market created a double bottom going up. So from there, how do we now get to the next point of our analysis? You can put your trend lines to know which channel you are dealing with. Okay, as you guys can see, we have a beautiful falling channel, right, which actually respected the movement by a push downwards, an exhaustion, a push downwards, an exhaustion, and a strong push downwards. As you guys can see, the market always follows the trend, right? So you need to spot the trend that you are working with. Which trend are you working with? Are you working with an uptrend? Are you working with the downtrend, right? As you guys can see now, here we were working with the downtrend. In other words, other people may know it as a falling channel, right? We had a falling channel like this. I will remove this to avoid confusion. Okay, it's clear now, right? The market it was on a falling channel. We had a beautiful double bottom to confirm that we are going up. Actually broke the first level and all our neckline, retested, went up, broke the trend line, right? Now we can get a more closer view going to your 4-hour time frame. As you guys can see, the 4-hour time frame is actually more clearer, right? We had a push up, which actually led to what we call a breakout. And then we know that once the market has actually broke your resistance level, we have a retest, which we can actually anticipate and continues with the actual trend of the push up until we reach our resistance level, which is this one here, right? But before we do that, you need to remember that the market is all about probabilities, right? We need to get a more closer view on how the market has actually been reacting. So we can actually see that on a closer view level, the market had a push all the way up. It had also an exhaustion level. It had a push. It had an exhaustion and a push up until all the way up until we actually had a strong push here, which is our breakout. Currently, what do we have? We have an exhaustion. As you guys can see, the market always repeats itself. The market always repeats itself. You just need to know which trend you are working with. You only need to know which trend you are working with. As you guys can see, the market has went all the way up with the same pattern: a push and exhaustion, a push and exhaustion, a push and exhaustion. Now we have actually did what? We confirmed our breakout with a beautiful engulfing candlestick on our breakout level. Have a beautiful engulfing candlestick to confirm our breakout, and we had a nice confirmation and a retest all the way up, as you guys can see, right? So what is our anticipation? We are actually anticipating a retest on our previous resistance, which is now has turned into our current support, right? We just turned into our current support. From there, we can actually anticipate a push all the way up until we reach our major resistance level. You understand, guys? So this is GBP USD. GBP USD. So we can actually get to the next one. I will try to analyze the next pair. Can try USD JPY, right? Always remember, guys, it's very important. Always remember, what do you have to do? Start analyzing your charts on the bigger time frame. Why? So you can get to see the overall movement of the market and where actually you are standing, right? So currently, I will spot my highest levels and my lowest levels, right? These are my levels, right? Okay, currently, let's work with this part. All right, cool. This is actually what we can see now. So, knowing that, what actually led to our sell, we have a nice I think it's a flag. Let me see it first. Wait. Always make sure that your trend line touches your tails, so you don't actually get to do to fall into a trap of false breakouts, right? So as you guys can see, so it actually led to a sell because of we had a rejection on our resistance of the flag, right? Cool. So now we are on the daily time frame. We can actually see the current level of the market. We just had what? We just had a break on the trend line. From there, what do we do? You need to do what? You need to go to your smaller time frame, which is your 4-hour time frame. Your 4-hour time frame is now more clearer, as you guys can see. You have a nice first touch here, a nice second touch, third touch, which has confirmed our sell-off. How would you confirm the sell-off and get the entry on your 4-hour time frame, you had a nice let me go to the 1 hour so you can see it. So this is how you know that you could have caught your sell off. You know that you have what? A rejection on the trend line. You have a second valid point, which you know that before you create your trend line, you must have at least 2 valid points for you to create your trend line, right? So you have a first valid point, a second valid point. You know that on your third valid point, the market is most likely to do a repetition of the previous 2 touches. But obviously, we don't just go with wishes. We need to wait for a confirmation. Get to see that on our third touch, the market actually rejected, and we had a strong bearish engulfing candlestick. If you can zoom it in, we had a strong bearish engulfing stick, which actually means that the market will now start going for a sell-off, right? This is where you would have got it. And as you can see, the sell-off, you caught it all the way to your TP, and which was the next point of the trend line, which is your support trend line. Okay, so now we actually broke the trend line. What do? This is now you spot your pattern of going down. The market went down, an exhaustion, a strong push, an exhaustion, a strong push, up until we had a breakout, which also adds on to our strong push, right? And now we have an exhaustion, which you guys, if you can see, it turns out to be in a most valid point, right? As you guys can see. So what are we anticipating? We're anticipating that the market may push more likely up until this level and continue with your movement up until your take profit, which is your support level, right? As you guys can see. So this is how you more or less analyze on your smartphone. So please guys, please feel free, drop those comments, let me know what is it that I can do, what is it that I can add on my channel, just so you guys also get to learn from me, get to ask me those questions. Let me know, guys. Let me know. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to click on that notifications button. Alright guys, cool. Yeah guys, so that is how you actually analyze using your smartphone. The next video that I'll be dropping a video on actually how to analyze using your trading view, which is a different platform, and how to analyze using your computer or your laptop. But now I need you guys to drop me those comments. Tell me how you feel about the video. Tell me what is it that you would like to see more on the channel. Tell me that how is it that I can actually help you. And if you want to learn more about Forex and you want to learn more about the analysis and the market breakdowns, you can actually subscribe to my free Telegram channel that I'll be creating. You can just click on the link below, subscribe to it, follow me on social media, get it on my Instagram account at Johnny Antiix. See it on the screen at Johnny Antiix. It's a new account. old account was hacked. Let's keep on pushing, guys. Let's keep on pushing. Come on, it's 2022. You understand? Let's grow together. I know that there's someone out there, you know, at home, you know, like they just want to push and they feel like, nah, things are lacking, things are not going the way that they want them to go. But I feel like I am here for you guys. You understand? We are going to grow together, and in the next year, we're going to look back at this time and be like, damn, we actually grew together, you understand, as a community, understand? And you guys learn from me, and I also hope to learn from you guys, you understand? So from Johnny Antiix up until the next video,